Tapos dun sa mga faceplate, gumamit tayo ng Dragon Gold and Dwarven Rich Gold. Usually, ginagamit ko to para magkaroon ng color contrast kasi very cool naman yung cool colors yung blue and yung pink medyo mas nasa cool tone din kasi may halong magenta yan eh. Or rather intense violet. And there you have it. Done na yung ating Hulkbuster ZD Toys action figure. Medyo challenging lang ikabit yung action figure dun sa loob kasi may sensor yun sa likod eh. Ayan. Pero after a few tries, nakuha ko na rin kung paano siya kinakabit dun sa back part. And nag-connect din naman yung sensor. So if you press the button dun sa right foot niya, tama ba right foot? Yeah, sa right foot ni Hulkbuster, iilaw na yung lahat ng LED except yung kamay. So yung sa kamay, meron siyang different na switch. So again, thank you very much Toys ni Doc and Laruanan for this very very cool collaboration project. If you want to know more about Laruanan, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook. Marami siyang mga products na binibenta. ZD Toys, Funjoy, Batman, Iron Man, ang dami pang iba. And also, if you want to go to Hero Cafe yeah, I think nasa Las Piñas area yun. Punta lang kayo sa Hero Cafe na Facebook page and also you can visit Toys ni Doc na Facebook profile page. Alright, thank you very much. Ito na yung tutorial ng ating Hulkbuster na camouflage version. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.